Hi, I believe this is your website. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I am being trained in website design and I want to show you a website that you might like. Wait, let me show it to you now. There. My boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or maybe more for this website. Yeah, I would add your photos here in the gallery, your contact details, and maybe if you want to add some more details about our info about your services or about your company, yes, we can add it here. Yeah, if this website would be good for you or maybe a help for you, do me a favor and hit a reply and let me know. If not, no big deal. I forgot to mention my name is Julie and I am working at Agent Boomer Marketing and Red Tier. Yeah, talk to you soon.